Welcome, Forex enthusiasts. Ever wondered which trading style suits you best? Dive into the dynamic world of trading as we unravel the mystery behind scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Which strategy will skyrocket your profits? Before we spill the beans, hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Did you know that the average daily trading volume in Forex is a staggering $6.6 trillion? Ready to explore the pros and cons of these trading techniques? Let's find out how to navigate the Forex market like a pro. Once upon a time in the exciting world of Forex trading, traders embarked on a quest to discover the ideal trading style that would lead them to the pot of gold at the end of the market rainbow. The choices were plenty, each with its own set of pros and cons. Scalping, day trading, and swing trading, the three musketeers of the trading world, stood tall, each vying for the attention of aspiring traders. Scalping. Our story begins with the fast-paced world of scalping, where traders dared to dance on the 1-minute and 5-minute charts. Picture this: a trader swiftly entering and exiting the market within minutes, capturing the elusive momentum and spotting potential reversals. It's a challenging endeavor, with high spreads and commissions as foes, but the promise of quick profits lures many to this high-energy dance. Now let's explore the pros and cons of scalping, a trading strategy characterized by quick short-term trades to capitalize on intraday price movements. On the positive side, successful scalpers can seize intraday momentum, making the most of market fluctuations and enjoying profitable reversals. However, the road is treacherous, with the difficulty level cranked up due to those pesky spreads and commission costs that can eat into profits. It's not for the faint of heart, requiring sharp analytical skills, discipline, and the ability to make split-second decisions. For those who master the art of scalping, the rewards can be sweet, but the risks are high, and one must navigate the volatile financial markets with caution and precision. Now let's delve into the nuances of this intricate trading approach. As our tale unfolds, we shift our gaze to the day traders, the swashbucklers of the trading realm. Armed with charts and market analysis, they hold positions anywhere from 15 minutes to a full day. The day trader's life involves constant monitoring, sitting at the trading station, and capturing good moves before calling it a day. The question is, can you handle the pressure and the thrill of the intraday battlefield? Day trading, a realm of financial markets, presents a dichotomy of pros and cons. The positive aspect lies in the satisfaction of wrapping up your trades at the end of the day, providing a sense of closure. However, the drawbacks loom large, demanding prolonged attention to charts and constant analysis of market dynamics. This intense scrutiny can be mentally and emotionally taxing, potentially leading to burnout. The unforgiving nature of financial markets amplifies risks, making day trading a challenging endeavor. Yet for those invigorated by the adrenaline-fueled pace and who possess a keen analytical mind, the potential rewards can be enticing. Balancing these contrasting facets is essential for anyone considering venturing into the volatile world of day trading. Swing trading. As our journey progresses, we arrive at the land of swing trading, a serene and patient approach to the market. Swing traders, unlike their frenetic counterparts, enter trades and let them play out over days, weeks, or even months. It's a less hectic lifestyle, allowing traders to do their research, make informed decisions, and then enjoy the peace of mind that comes with letting trades unfold. But of course, in the dynamic realm of swing trading, there exists a delicate balance of pros and cons. On the positive side, this approach offers a less labor-intensive and more relaxed trading experience. But of course, this tranquility comes with its own set of challenges. The decision to hold positions overnight introduces an element of risk, turning the trade-off into a delicate dance between peace and the potential storm that may brew in the markets while you sleep. In this scenario, fundamentals play a crucial role, adding a layer of complexity to the game. So while swing trading may provide a respite from constant monitoring, of course, it necessitates a strategic approach to navigate the intricate landscape of market fluctuations. Now imagine yourself at a crossroads, torn between the allure of scalping's quick profits, the thrill of day trading's battlefield, and the tranquility of swing trading. How do you decide which path to tread? Fear not, for our story introduces a magical tool known as Forex Tester, the wise sage that helps traders uncover their true calling. Forex Tester, our trusty guide, invites traders to embark on a journey of self-discovery through backtesting, a simulation environment where one can test strategies without risking real capital. It's the secret weapon that separates the wise from the reckless. Whether you fancy the swift moves of scalping, the daily battles of day trading, or the patient waiting of swing trading, Forex Tester allows you to explore and refine your strategies. As our tale takes an educational turn, a powerful message emerges. Backtesting is the key to unlocking trading prowess. It's not just about avoiding losses, it's about building confidence. Forex Tester not only saves you from financial pitfalls, but also nurtures the seed of confidence within you. The tool becomes a companion in your trading journey, providing a shortcut to success. And now a moment of humor to lighten the mood. Picture a trader, a brave soul tossing strategies into the market like confetti, hoping one will stick. Ah, the chaos. But with Forex Tester, our trader transforms into a seasoned strategist, confidently navigating the market seas. It's like having a treasure map that leads to profits without the perilous journey of trial and error. But wait, there's more. As our tale unfolds, a special offer awaits those seeking to hone their skills. Forex Tester, the generous mentor, extends a holiday discount, a whopping 70% off for those eager to start their trading improvement journey in 2024. It's a golden opportunity to seize the moment, to grab the tools that will shape your trading destiny. In the grand finale of our story, we learn that one size does not fit all in the vast world of trading styles. Traders are as diverse as the strategies they employ. Some prefer the quick and technical approach, while others savor the macroeconomic nuances. The key is to find what resonates with you and what aligns with your comfort and profitability. So guys, as our story concludes, ponder this. Are you drawn to the quick and intense rhythms of scalping, the daily battles of day trading, or the patient waiting of swing trading? Let Forex Tester be your guide, and may your trading journey be as epic as the tales spun in the market realms. As we navigate the dynamic realms of scalping, day trading, and swing trading in the Forex niche, the journey is far from over. Your insatiable appetite for market insights will be met with even richer content. Stay tuned for in-depth analyses, expert interviews, and real-time strategies that can shape your trading journey. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join our community and ensure you never miss out on the next market-moving revelation. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.